Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this tablet. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the welcoming screen where you get to select your desired language right here, and then click on Start, which then allows you to connect to a mobile network by inserting a SIM card. Now, I don't know if every version of this has a SIM card capability, or for LTE and all that stuff. The one that I have right here does, so hence this is showing up. If yours doesn't have a SIM card spot, it will not show up with this page at all. Next, we'll have the Wi-Fi connection page. Now, you can set up your device offline if you want to. You don't need to connect to it, but because I haven't inserted a SIM card nor have I connected to Wi-Fi, I won't have any kind of network, which would be offline. And because of that, I won't be able to sign into Google account, restore apps and data, get software updates, and have the date and time set automatically. Now, this can all be changed later on after the setup is completed by going into the settings. Here we also have the date and time that won't show up if you went with one way or the other if you basically have some kind of network connection. Next, we have Google services like location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn those off, but I would perceive these more like a suggestion for Google rather than a request that they will, go with. If they would, let's be honest, corporations wouldn't be in antitrust lawsuits, class action lawsuits as well. So yeah, just take this with a grain of salt. It just probably you turning that off is kind of more like boom. Okay, Google, could you please not gather my data kindly, please? And Google being like, ha, go F yourself. So yeah, that's kind of how I see this. Anyway, next we have the
about data privacy. As an AI, I don't personally collect or store your data. My function
sure you don't. I think by mistake I launched my Google Assistant and it already spewed nonsense, considering it does store data, which you can literally access by going into the Gemini settings. Great, thanks for lying to me. Anyway, so here we have the PIN that you can select for your device. There should be, there we go, other options like pattern or password as well. Or you just don't need to protect your device at all if you don't want to. Though if you're the one using it, I would recommend actually protecting it. If you ever lose it, I would otherwise give access to whoever finds it, unrestricted access to all your data on here. So yeah, probably protect it. But as you can see, this basically finished up the setup, so there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.